as more information comes in. Now, the Met Department's warning about the thunderstorm in Mumbai was delayed. Sources in the Weather Department blamed network issues for the same. Santhya Gora joins us now with the details. Santhya, there was an alert, but perhaps not giving enough time to Mumbaikars to respond to what finally happened.
Absolutely, Shireen. See, on 10th of May, there was an indication from the IMD that a storm sort of situation will be formed in Pune, in Mumbai, Thane, Palghar, Navi Mumbai and the nearby regions. But that particular indication did not explain the intensity of the storm. If we cut back to what happened today, so the reports of the storm started coming in at around 3:30 p.m. And it was only at 4:30 p.m. that IMD issued a nowcast warning. Now, what's a nowcast warning? Nowcast warning is a warning which IMD issues for next 3 to 4 hours so that the people can be warned and the authorities can remain on alert and they can be prepared in order to take care of any untoward incident. So a nowcast warning ideally should be issued at least before a couple of hours before the actual event, but in this case the nowcast warning was also issued at 4:30. Nowcast warning for 4 p.m. was issued at 4:30. So there was a delay of at least a couple of hours. Now, IMD sources told CNBC TV 18 that there was no mistake or no fault from their end. What they did, they updated the warning at the right time, but there was some issue with the network. That's why the displaying of the information took time. In fact, other sources from IMD also claimed that there is nothing wrong with the information they provided. They said it was a little, they took some time to indicate how intense the situation was, but that was because of a technical situation and not because of the shortcoming of IMD. But Shireen, we also have to remember that this is not for the first time that IMD did not issue a proper warning or timely warning for a weather event. In fact, CNBC TV 18 in the past has reported, whether it was during the heavy rainfall of 2022 or 2023, there were multiple occasions when IMD did not forecast the weather event warning on time, or it could not indicate the true nature of the weather event. Talking about what caused this particular weather event today, thunderstorm and sandstorm, IMD Mumbai told CNBC TV 18 that it has nothing to do with the storm which is affecting northern parts of the country, but it happened because of wind discontinuity, because the winds from the opposite sides, that's north south and south north, started flowing at the same time and created disturbance, and the storm will settle within next couple of hours. Shireen.
All right, Santhya, appreciate you joining us. What you see on